Hi there, Mr. Muhammed is here.
This is revised for checkpoint book, unit 4, and it's lesson 4 actually. Then this unit focuses on shapes, congruency, and geometric reasoning. Congruency between two triangles is quite easy. We have 4 rules to follow. The first rule, when the triangles has all the sides equal. So we call this rule simply SSS, means side, side, side. It means all the sides are equal. That's what makes these two triangles congruent. Rotation doesn't matter. What matters, the length of the sides. All the sides respectively must be equal. The second rule is called SAS. As when you look at the rule, you see like two sides are equal and the angle between them. Now look at this triangle. This side is 6.4, this side is 6.4, this side is 5.8, 5.8, and the angle between them is 44. The angle between them is 44. So this rule is called SAS. So similarly, we have another rule is called ASA, means two angles are equal. Two angles are equal and with the side between them. And the fourth rule is RHS. It means the two triangles, they have a right angle. Okay, this is the R, right angle. And the side opposite the right angle, which is the hypotenuse, must be equal in both triangles. So here the sides are equal, and one more side must be equal in both triangles. So right angle, both triangles must have right angles. Hypotenuse, the side, the longest side opposite the right angle, must be equal in both triangles, and one more side must have the same length in both triangles. So this rule is called RHS. Check your understanding. 4.1. These two triangles, what makes them to be congruent? They have two angles equal, and the side between the angles are equal, so these two triangles are congruent. Here, since there is a right angle, we have to think about right angle, hypotenuse, side. Are there two right angles? Yes, the side opposite the right angle, we don't know how long is this. The side opposite the right angle is 11. Since the side is missing, we don't know is it exactly 11. This 11 doesn't make any sense because the hypotenuse must be 11. Then these two triangles are not congruent because their hypotenuse are not equal. Question 3. It sounds like ASA. Two angles are equal with the side between them. Oh, actually it's SAS. Two sides are equal with the angle between them. 7, 7, another 7, another 7 here. With the angle between them 105, angle between them 105. So according to SAS, these two triangles are congruent. Here again we see right angles, so think right angle, hypotenuse, side, right angle, right angle. Okay, the side opposite the right angle, which is hypotenuse, it's 8, it's 8. Okay, and one more side, here it's 2 and the side is 2. So according to RHS, these two triangles are congruent. Line of symmetry and order of rotational symmetry. Rectangle has two lines of symmetry and it has order 2 rotational symmetry. Parallelogram has no line of symmetry and it has 2 rotational symmetry. This triangle has one line of symmetry and it has one rotational symmetry. Because the question doesn't specify that is it an isosceles triangle? If yes, isosceles triangles have one line of symmetry and order 1 rotational symmetry. If it's a scalene, it has no line of symmetry, but the order of rotational symmetry will be 1. This shape has order 2 rotational symmetry because if we rotate it 360 degrees twice, we see the exact same shape. One is the original one, and the other one is after rotating it 180 degrees. So it has order 2 rotational symmetry and no line of symmetry. This shape has 1 line of symmetry and it is order 1 rotational symmetry. This sign has no line of symmetry, order 1 rotational symmetry. For 3D shapes, we don't have line of symmetry because it's a 3D shape, so we have planes of symmetry. The question says, state whether it has one plane of symmetry, it has no plane of symmetry, or it has more than one plane of symmetry. This cuboid, it could be cut into 2 equal parts like this. So this is one plane of symmetry. It could be cut into 2 equal parts in this way. So 2 planes of symmetry, and it could be cut into 2 equal parts in this way. Then this cuboid has 3 planes of symmetry, but according to this question, we can just say it has more than one plane of symmetry. More than one plane of symmetry. Irregular tetrahedron has no plane of symmetry, and cylinder, we can cut the cylinder into 2 equal parts like this. So it gives 2 identical parts of the cylinder, and one more way is like this. So it has 2 planes of symmetry. That allows us to say it has more than one plane of symmetry according to the question. Dealing with exterior and interior angles of regular polygons is quite fun because we have some rules, some formula that they work all the time. Let's go through these questions. The first one is so obvious. State the number of sides for a regular hexagon. Regular hexagon has 6 sides. Work out the side of each external angle. Remember, to work out external, we always divide 360 divide by number of sides. N capital stands for number of sides. Number of sides. So 360 divided by number of sides gives the external angle. Well, 360 divided by number of sides of a hexagon are 6. So 360 divided by 6 is equal to 60 degrees. Whenever you want to work out the interior angle or internal angle could be worked out from subtracting the exterior from 180. So 180 minus the exterior was 60, that gives 120. So the interior angle of a regular hexagon is 120 degrees. These rules are always true. 180 minus exterior gives interior, and the opposite is also right. 180 minus interior gives exterior. 360 divided by number of sides gives exterior, and 360 divided by exterior gives number of sides. And this one is interior. Question 2. A regular polygon has 10 sides. Okay, find the size of each external angle. As I said, 360 divided by number of sides always gives the exterior. So 360, the shape has 10 sides, so 360 divided by 10, obviously it's 36. So the exterior angle for a 10-sided polygon is 360 degrees. A regular polygon has 9 sides. Find the size of each interior angle. To work out the interior, firstly we need to work out exterior, then 180 minus exterior gives interior. So let's do question 3. The shape has 9 sides, so 360 divided by 9. 360 divided by 9, 9 which is number of sides. 360 divided by 9 is equal to 40 degrees. So this 40 is exterior. To get interior, because the question asks for interior, to get interior we're going to say 80 minus 40. This 40 is the exterior. 180 minus 40 is equal to 140. So the result of subtracting exterior from 180 is the interior angle. So the question wants interior, so the answer is 140 degrees. Question 4. A regular polygon has each external angle 15. Work out the number of sides. Well, 360 divided by exterior gives number of sides. 360 divided by the exterior angle is 15. 360 divided by 15 is equal to 24. So look, we can't put a degree on this 24 because this 24 stands for number of sides. So the answer is a 24-sided regular polygon. Remember, 360 divided by exterior gives number of sides. 360 divided by number of sides gives exterior. 180 minus exterior gives interior. 180 minus interior is exterior. Question 5. A regular polygon has each interior angle 172 degrees. Work out the number of sides it has. So we have interior. We need to work out exterior. Then 360 divided by exterior gives number of sides. If the interior be 72 degrees, so 180 minus 172 is equal to just 8 degrees. So this 172, as it's given in the question, it's the interior angle, and this 8 is the exterior angle. And always 360 divided by exterior gives number of sides. 360 divided by 8 that is 45. So this shape has 45 sides. That's why it has the interior angle 172 and it has the exterior angle 45. No, it has 45 sides. The interior angle 172, exterior 8 degrees. Spotlight on the test. So basically you can do these questions yourself to test your understanding. Thank you for watching. Unit 5, measuration and motion will be for the next lesson. Thank you for watching.